Hi, my name is Jette. This is my monthly art vlog series, a series where I'm sharing my creative process from the studio with you, completely unfiltered and 1 month at a time. Welcome to episode 2 for my August vlog. Because I haven't been posting anything in July, I was on vacation and just wasn't really painting anything. I kind of skipped that month, and so in August you're getting 2 episodes because I've been working so much on my latest oil painting, which is kind of like the sequel to this one. Is called Trash Life. So that's getting a sister that I've been painting for, I think, like so far 18 hours, and we are doing some more painting today. My friend is actually on her way over here. We are working together in the studio today. She's a painter too. Her Insta is Kumu Paints. Because I do have a second easel, it's usually standing right here, that I want to get over to the studio so that she has some more space to paint, and it's just nicer to have proper material. So we are going to be driving over there in a few minutes. She should be here. I just prepared some lunch as well for later, and I'm just getting ready to basically spend my entire day at the atelier. Just finished this part up here, and now I'm working on the parts that I left empty down there. So yeah, let's see how long that's gonna take me. I have company today as well. You wanna say hi? Hello. I did improvements on some of the parts in the trash bins, as well as filled some of the smaller items, just adding some highlights to some parts of the trash as well. And now I'm just gonna call it a day. It's about 4:30 now, and I'm very, very tired and also hot. It's so warm in my studio today, and I just cannot work any longer. I am gonna be back next week, I think, to do some more work and maybe then start the buildings, which I'm kind of dreading. But it's fine, I'm gonna clean and then we're gonna head out. Okay, update, it's the 22nd of August already, and I'm very happy with how much I was able to paint this month. I am kind of aiming to get a bit more done this month, and I'm going to be continuing on this pizza boxes over there that I started, but I'm not happy with them at all. And also, last time, I don't know if you noticed, I painted this little yellow part right here, and it's an item that I forgot to paint. So I'm gonna add a layer and work over this. It's such a warm day today. I wanted to paint for 6 hours today. Don't know if I'm gonna get that much done, to be honest. We'll see. Okay, I've been painting for, I want to say, an hour and a half to 2 hours maybe. I always lose track of time. It's so hot that I'm contemplating painting with my door open because there is a hallway and it's so like nice. There's like air flowing through, cold air flowing through it, and just all the sunshine is heating up this room so much that I'm like, should I just paint with my door open? But then at the same time, it's like, I don't want people to like look in here because it's like the people here, they don't really, I don't really know them. Like you aren't even on like a first name basis here, but I was just going to the bathroom because that's down the hallway to wash my hands because I'm gonna have lunch now. I'm like, do I leave it open? I don't know. I'm just gonna enjoy my leftover quiche and kind of hope for the sun to go past my window so I can like further open the curtains to let some air in, but it's not really helping, so yay. I should get a fork for this. Anyway, here's what we're having for lunch. And in the meantime, I'm gonna watch a vlog. You're watching my vlog, I'm also watching vlogs. It's vlogception. You have no idea how much I'm avoiding painting the buildings at the moment. And I'm having my coffee iced, duh. Yeah, trying to convince myself to finally start, which I'm gonna do now, don't worry. Okay, so I feel like when you come up close, I really like how this upper area turned out. Not as big a fan of what is going on down here. I could have done a better job. I guess I'll just be repainting that next time. Also, like, if you compare it up close to when you step a few feet away, I gotta say, it's not bad. So, we're getting somewhere. Happy about that. Gonna call it a day. It's 5:30 now. So I've been here for about 6 hours, of which I painted maybe 4.5. That's kind of my limit. definitely not one of those people who like wake up and immediately start working without even having breakfast. Like, I do not function without having had coffee and a big breakfast. So every morning I'm kind of like starting slow to my day. I really like that type of morning routine where I can just take 1 hour, usually like between like 7:30 and 8:30, or 8 between 9, depending on how much sleep I get. Yeah, just to get ready, have breakfast, and then I start my work. I just like that type of morning the most. It's how I function the best. Going to the studio today, I do have to take care of a few things on my computer, prepare lunch, because I don't have a kitchen in my studio, and there isn't really any like food places nearby, so I always prep my food. It's a sunny day today, so I'm taking my biking there. It's like a 5-6 kilometer ride each, back and forth to the studio, and 6K back. So I'm also getting a good workout in every time I go to my studio. There is public transport, but yeah, I just prefer riding the bike. It's also faster than public transport. Don't know why. Ask Berlin why that is. I don't know. It is August 31st, by the way. So last day of the month. Last time when I left, I decided to close the curtains just to keep the sunshine out, and it's way better climate in here today. It's also not as hot of a day as last time, like maybe 20 degrees, so actually like perfect painting temperature in my opinion. I'll be continuing on this part that we started last time. It's also like fully dry because I haven't been here for a week because I went to my parents' house to film another video that's gonna go live, I think, next. Yeah, so I think like this area is probably what I'll try to accomplish today. So far I painted kind of the windows, not shutters, what is it called? Marquees? I have no idea. And I also painted the car already, which was like really quick, like 20 minutes maybe. So now I will continue with all the trash that is laying around on the ground, and it's relatively far away from the viewer, so it doesn't need as much detail, which has been a challenge for me, you know, painting items without including as much detail. But I do feel like I'm getting better at it, and it's nice to see progress this way. So I'm gonna continue. See ya there. It's going great so far. I think I will finish the trash bins up here, and then I'm actually gonna continue painting like a base for the floor, because I haven't really done any of that, but I think like I might as well do it today just because then next time I can just work over it and improve on that. So I think that's the last thing I'll do, is finish this area and then also kind of like build a base for next time. I'm so proud with what I accomplished for this painting this month, because in August I made 2 parts. So actually, like, this is, I'm inserting some footage here how this painting looked like the beginning of the month, and now I'm so far already. Like, of course I will redo all the floor, so at least I have a base going on, and in my September episode you will already see the finished result. I hope you enjoy watching. Let me know what else you are interested in seeing from me. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I'll see you next time. Bye!